Since the first single SKU programmable sensor came to the market in 2012, many sensor manufacturers have introduced different branded or white label single SKU programmable sensors. Why, you may ask? Well, these sensors allow technicians to cover 99% of vehicles with only one part and provide benefits like sensor ID cloning, future vehicle coverage, and reprogramming capabilities. With this in mind, let's discuss 3 ways for you to look for and choose compatible TPMS tools and sensors. The benefits of programmable sensors are great, but they come with a catch. Technicians still need to program the sensor with a communication protocol prior to installation. This helps the sensor communicate with the make, model, and year of the vehicle and needs to be done with a compatible TPMS programming tool. What is a compatible programming tool, though? No sensor brand is compatible with every programming tool available in the market, and conversely, no tool brand can program every sensor type. Because programmable sensors require a dedicated TPMS programming tool for their operation, automotive shops need to invest in cost-effective and reliable solutions that offer both the tool and sensor programs. As shop owners evaluate their options for programmable sensor partners, they are often presented with locked programming tools and sensor bundles. These tools typically come at a discounted price, but they also restrict the tool's functionality to programming only one specific sensor brand. For example, a Brand A tool would be limited to programming a Brand A sensor. To avoid this issue, the following 3 tips can help you identify and use compatible sensors and tools. First, before ordering a new sensor, check if your current tool is unlocked, meaning it displays a list of sensor brands after you've selected a vehicle make, model, and year in the programming menu. You may also have other tools that you haven't been using. These tools may be fully functional, but still require a software update. Second, consider the specific coverage offered by a sensor. Programmable sensor companies typically claim to provide 99% coverage, but the methods used to achieve this can vary. Look into the details behind these claims. Does the 99% coverage encompass all vehicles currently on the road? Does it include vehicles equipped with indirect TPMS systems? Before making a decision, do your research to make sure the sensor's coverage aligns with the specific needs of your service process. Third, after finding your TPMS sensor, ask about the tool compatibility. There are lots of unlocked tools on the market. They can program different sensor brands, giving you the flexibility to program other sensor brands if needed without investing in a new tool each time. Programmable sensors simplify TPMS service, and programming these tools doesn't have to be complicated. In the end, you just need to find a programmable TPMS sensor that covers the vehicle makes you generally service and a compatible unlocked programming tool that gives you more flexibility. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching. See you next time.